Ashwagandha, scientifically known as Withania somnifera, is a revered medicinal herb that has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine. Originating from the dry regions of India, northern Africa, and the Middle East, ashwagandha is a hardy shrub that thrives in arid climates. It is also commonly found in parts of the Mediterranean and Southeast Asia. Other names: ashwagandha is known by various names across different cultures. In Ayurveda, it is often referred to as Indian ginseng due to its rejuvenating properties. Other names include winter cherry and poison gooseberry. Harvesting: ashwagandha is typically harvested in the fall when the roots are most potent. The roots are carefully dug up, cleaned, and dried before being processed for medicinal use. Sustainable harvesting practices ensure the preservation of this valuable herb for future generations. Identification: ashwagandha is easily identifiable by its small, bell-shaped flowers and distinctive red berries. The plant grows up to 2 feet in height and has oval-shaped leaves that are covered in fine hairs. Parts used: the roots of the ashwagandha plant are the primary medicinal component. However, the leaves and berries also contain beneficial compounds and are sometimes used in herbal preparations. Edible use: while ashwagandha is primarily valued for its medicinal properties, some cultures use the leaves and berries in cooking. The leaves can be consumed as a leafy green, and the berries are sometimes used to flavor dishes. Medicinal uses: adrenal fatigue: ashwagandha is renowned for its adaptogenic properties, which help the body adapt to stress and restore balance to the adrenal glands. Stress: as an adaptogen, ashwagandha helps modulate the body's response to stress, reducing feelings of anxiety and promoting a sense of calm. Fight or flight response: by regulating the production of stress hormones like cortisol, ashwagandha helps modulate the body's fight or flight response, promoting a more balanced and measured reaction to stresses. Anxiety and depression: studies have shown that ashwagandha may help alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression by modulating neurotransmitter levels in the brain. Reduces cortisol levels: cortisol is often referred to as the stress hormone, and chronically elevated levels can have detrimental effects on health. Ashwagandha has been shown to reduce cortisol levels, promoting a more balanced stress response. Balances blood glucose levels: ashwagandha may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes or insulin resistance. Cancer: while more research is needed, preliminary studies suggest that ashwagandha may have anti-cancer properties and could potentially inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Memory and brain cell degeneration: ashwagandha has been shown to improve memory and cognitive function, as well as protect against brain cell degeneration associated with aging and neurodegenerative diseases. Stamina and endurance: traditionally used by athletes to improve stamina and endurance, ashwagandha may help increase physical performance and reduce fatigue. Anti-inflammatory: ashwagandha possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties, making it useful for reducing inflammation and pain associated with conditions like arthritis and joint pain. Sexual function and fertility: ashwagandha has been traditionally used as an aphrodisiac and is believed to improve sexual function and fertility in both men and women. Immune function: ashwagandha supports immune function by modulating the activity of immune cells, helping the body defend against infections and illnesses. Complementary herbs and recipes: ashwagandha blends well with many other adaptogenic herbs like rhodiola, holy basil, and licorice root. It can also be incorporated into various recipes, including teas, tinctures, and herbal supplements to enhance their therapeutic effects. Lack of warnings: ashwagandha is generally considered safe for most people when used as directed. However, individuals with autoimmune diseases, thyroid disorders, or certain allergies should consult with a healthcare professional before using ashwagandha. Additionally, pregnant and breastfeeding women should exercise caution and seek medical advice before using this herb. In conclusion, ashwagandha is a versatile and potent medicinal herb with a wide range of therapeutic benefits. From stress reduction and immune support to improving cognitive function and sexual health, ashwagandha offers holistic support for overall well-being. With its rich history and growing body of scientific research, ashwagandha continues to be a valuable ally in the quest for optimal health and vitality.